loves, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Here in this channel we talk about relaxed hair care, hair growth tips, protective styling, and anything hair related. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new products with you guys. Besides, I just moisturized and detangled my hair. That video should already be up, so you can check it out if you are interested. Okay, so this is how my hair looks now. So I relaxed my hair 3 months ago, and ever since then I have not washed my hair. Yeah, that was not the original plan, but it just kind of happened. So I'm going to be washing my hair very soon, in a few days time. So I got new set of products for my wash days and also for my hair care in general. Yeah, so I got the products from J Naturals on IG, on Instagram. So I got them last week, and I think delivery took about 2 to 3 days if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they were quite fast. So let me just go ahead and show you guys the things I got. So the first thing here is my shampoo. So this is the VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze Clarifying Shampoo. So this was the shampoo I was using before, but as you guys can tell, I'm out of it. And this is the VO5 Moisturizer Shampoo, but I felt my hair needed a clarifying shampoo this time around instead of a moisturizer shampoo, so I went with a moisturizer shampoo. And guys, they changed the product. It now looks more transparent, like the product itself. If you've been using the VO5 clarifying shampoo, you know what I'm talking about. So this is not how it used to be, so I just hope even though they changed it, I still get the same experience, because I really like this shampoo. And I've not used any other clarifying shampoo. Like the VO5 clarifying shampoo is the only clarifying shampoo I have been using now for years, so I just hope I get the same results I got with the previous one. So yeah, that's it for my shampoo. Coming up next is my moisturizing deep conditioner. So this is the Aphogee balancing moisturizer. So I'm planning to do the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. I don't really look forward to the wash days where I have to use the protein treatment, because it is a very messy process, but my hair needs it right now, and yeah, I have to do it. So this was the old one I had, and this is the new one I got, almost out of the old one. I was dreading getting it, to be honest, because it's not really on the budget friendly side, but yeah, my hair needed it, and I had to get it. I just had to squeeze out the money and get it. So yeah, that's it for my moisturizing deep conditioner. Those were the only products I'm out of. I still have my moisturizer, my oil, my protein deep conditioner, yeah, and every other product I would need. So the other things I got are more of like accessories, and the first one I'm going to be talking about are these. You guys know that I am so overdue for satin scrunchies. So I had one before, which I made myself. That was a few years back, but it kind of got worn out. When I decided to go for new bands, instead of getting satin scrunchies, I got velvet bands. So this is what I have been using now for like 2 to 3 years, and I had only 2 of these, so I said nah, I just had to get satin scrunchies. I have been wanting to get for the longest time, but I just kind of find myself procrastinating it. So when I wanted to get my product, I just had to use the opportunity and get it. So I got 3 of these. So now whenever I'm carrying out routines or anything that will require me sectioning my hair, I don't have to use rubber bands, because you guys know that sometimes I use rubber bands on my hair when I'm carrying out routines that require sectioning my hair, because I had just 2 velvet bands and they weren't enough. And yeah, you guys also know that rubber bands are not healthy, but I just had no choice but to use them. But now that I have satin scrunchies, that will no longer be an issue. Okay, so I got the 3 in 1 pack. There was a 6-in-1 pack, but I felt it was just going to be too much, so I decided to get the 3. I'm going to try and put the prices of everything I got on the screen, and some of the products I'm sharing with you guys today are already linked in the description box below, so you can check them out in case you are interested in getting any. So yeah, that's it for my satin scrunchies. The next thing I got was this a microfiber towel. If you've been watching my videos, you will know that I have been wanting to get a microfiber towel, and yeah, I finally got it. So previously on my wash days, I usually use a cotton scarf. Even though that is great as well, I wanted to try out a microfiber towel, so I decided to get this turban microfiber towel, and honestly I just love how it feels. I have not even used this, but I feel like this will be so great on my hair. I'm not talking about the drying effect though. I'm talking about like how smooth it is. Like this is going to be very, very protective and non-damaging on my hair strands, if you get what I mean, compared to using a regular towel that's kind of harsh. So this is so smooth, so soft. So I'm excited to try it out, and it's one of the things I'm looking forward to using on my upcoming wash day. And later on, when I'm using it on my hair, I'm going to share with you guys how effective it is in drying my hair. That's probably going to be in the wash video, so yeah, watch out for that. So that's it for my microfiber towel, and that was the last thing I got. But the vendor was nice, so she gifted me this. So this is a wide tooth comb, and it's kind of cute, and I love the fact that it actually matches the microfiber towel in color. For the towel, I actually wanted to get black, but she didn't have black, and the other colors available were just not my thing. She had pink, she had nude, I think she had blue, so I felt this was just best out of all the available colors. And guys, I didn't even realize this prior to now, but I just realized that almost everything I got is purple apart from my shampoo. That is wild. Like I didn't even notice it until now. So microfiber towel is purple, the balancing moisturizer is purple, the free gift she gave me, the white tooth comb, is purple as well. So yeah, so I love it. It's kind of cute, even though I have white tooth combs, but I don't really have something like this, and I feel like this would be so nice. For example, now that my hair is kind of straightened and I may not necessarily have to use a big white tooth comb to, you know, kind of detangle and comb it out. So I feel in this type of scenarios, this is better. So yeah guys, I kind of like it. I find it so cute. So yeah, and I'm going to have to wash the microfiber towel and the satin scrunchies because I don't know where they have been, so I'm going to have to wash them before I use them, even though yeah, they're supposed to be new, but yeah, I don't know where they have been. Okay, so I'm going to wash them before I use them. So that's it for the products and the accessories I got. Not really much. So I got 4 items with a free comb, so that's 5 items in total. And she has other products as well, like on the packaging it says Cantu, Shea Moisture, Camille Rose, As I Am, Anti-Jackies, Miel, then tools and accessories. Even though I haven't tried any of these other products, yeah, isn't it funny that I haven't tried Cantu and Shea Moisture, even though they are very popular hair care products? I'm gonna try one of these someday, yeah, but not now. So I feel I'm gonna be getting my products from her from now on. Hopefully she has all the products I use in stock. So yeah guys, this video is a very short one. I just wanted to share with you guys the new products I got in preparation for my wash day. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing to join the family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.